If you're looking to store and organize all your proposal templates in a way that saves time and increases your productivity, you're in the right place. In today's quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily organize your templates so you can find them exactly when you need them. You know that feeling of scrambling through folders to find the right template? It can be frustrating and often wastes a lot of time. Well, I've tried out a bunch of popular software options, and today I'll share what worked best for me. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear process in place to store your proposal templates efficiently and access them with just a few clicks. And for viewers of my channel, I've secured an exclusive free trial to help you follow along with the software I recommend. It's linked in the description below. To start, the key to organizing your proposal templates is to have a central, easy to navigate storage system. First, take all your templates and categorize them by type. Are they client-specific, industry-specific, project-specific? Label these categories clearly, either within your software or in a folder system, so you know exactly where each template belongs. Trust me, this simple step is going to save you hours. Now, when it comes to actually storing the templates, you'll want a solution that's both organized and accessible. I recommend cloud storage for this, whether it's through the software we'll be using or another platform that syncs across all your devices. With cloud storage, you can access your proposal templates from anywhere at any time. No more searching through old files on your desktop. Next, let's talk about version control. This is a game changer. If you make frequent updates to your proposal templates, you'll want a system that lets you keep track of all changes and roll back if needed. The software I recommend allows you to store multiple versions of each template and gives you the ability to compare them side by side, ensuring you're always working with the latest version without losing any crucial details from older drafts. You also need a quick way to find the template you need. This is where search functionality comes in. In the software we'll be using, you can tag templates with keywords or descriptions so you can find them quickly when you search. This feature alone will save you so much time. No more digging through folder after folder. Finally, make sure your templates are easily shareable with team members or clients. The software I recommend offers seamless sharing options, which means you can instantly send over the right proposal without worrying about file compatibility issues or cluttered email chains. To recap, here's what you need to do. 1. Categorize your templates by type to make them easy to find. 2. Store them in cloud-based software that's easily accessible. 3. Use version control to track changes and manage updates. 4. Leverage powerful search functions to quickly locate your templates. 5. Make sure your templates are shareable for smooth collaboration. Key takeaway: the best way to store and organize your proposal templates is by having a clear, centralized system that is both organized and easily accessible. With the right tools, you'll be able to find the right template in seconds, saving you time and energy in the long run. Before we wrap up, remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description below. It's a great way to try out the software I recommend for organizing your templates, and you'll have full access to all the features we discussed today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.